All right, now we are going to build an appointment booking workflow and integrate the ElevenLabs voice AI agent with this workflow that we are going to build on n8n that will be responsible for booking an appointment on our calendar. Obviously, only for the qualified leads. In the start, we will book the appointment without any checks on qualified leads. And later on, we'll add the check on making sure that only qualified leads can book an appointment, kind of like a discovery call with me, so that we can go on and have a little conversation, human to human, and see if this is a good fit for the next cohort. So let's go on to the next step. There's a new feature called Tools on ElevenLabs. We'll need to create a new tool. And here we'll call it book an appointment or book appointment. The description can be something descriptive for the LLM of ElevenLabs. Use this tool in order to book an appointment. The method has to be post. The URL has to be one from n8n. We're going to call this workflow book appointment and add a webhook here. Change this to post. Copy the URL and come back here, paste it. And now in the body parameters, we're going to add some stuff here. Extract the information that is required for booking an appointment. For example, the start and end date and time of an appointment, the title and summary of the appointment. This text will definitely be used under the hood by ElevenLabs for the LLM extraction, as it's already stated here. Now we need the start date and time. That's the prompt for the LLM. We're going to make it required so that the bot will need to ask questions if this information was not provided in the transcript in the first place. This is the start date and time of the appointment. We're going to add another one, call it end time, date and time. This is the end date and time of the appointment. And we're going to add one more, appointment title. This is the appointment title of the actual appointment being booked. And one more for summary. This is the summary of the appointment. Okay. Once we have added this tool, we need to also go to the agent and associate this tool with this agent. If you scroll down, you will see a section for tools, custom tools. You can add this appointment in here and make sure that you save this. Now we can go and talk to this AI agent right away from the web browser. We don't have to do a phone call through Twilio, but make sure that this is running so that we can receive this endpoint in here.
Hey ASDF, I'm Samantha, AML's AI agent. Do you have a minute to talk?
Yes, I'm interested in booking an appointment. My name is not ASDF, that's just the default value of the AI agent on the form. My name is John Doe, and I'm super interested in this next August cohort. Can you book an appointment with AML with me?
Thank you for clarifying your name, John. It's great to hear you're interested in the August cohort. Before I book an appointment, could you please share the specific date and time you have in mind for the meeting with AML? Also, what would you like the appointment to be about so I can add a brief summary?
So I would like to book this appointment for 17th of July at 2 p.m. And the summary, it should be a discovery call. I want to talk to Emil and ask some general questions and make sure that we have a quick conversation about this before we start.
Okay, John, just to confirm, you'd like to book a discovery call with Amal for July 17th at 2 p.m. What
Yes.
time zone are you?
I'm in Europe. I'm in Berlin, so the CST time zone.
Thanks, John. To confirm, that's Central Standard Time, correct? And what time would you like the meeting
No,
to
not
end?
Central Standard Time. The Central European, the Central European summertime, CEST.
My apologies, John. I understand now. And how long should I book the meeting for?
30 minutes is okay. There we go.
Great, John. I booked a
So
30-minute discovery call with Amal.
So I turned off the call. Now let's observe the payload that it sent me. It has exactly those pieces of information that I am looking for in order to book an appointment. And also 17th, 2 o'clock, 2:30. So with this, I have literally received or connected tool calling from ElevenLabs to n8n. In the next video, we are going to add this to a Google Calendar integration node, and we take it from there. See you in the next video.